Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to create a marketing plan for your small business. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights, professional development advice, and management tips. Let's get started. In today's competitive business landscape, having a well-crafted marketing plan is essential for small businesses. A marketing plan serves as a roadmap, guiding your efforts to reach your target audience, build brand awareness, and achieve your business objectives. This step-by-step video guide will help you create an effective marketing plan tailored to your small business's needs. Let's take a look at 8 tips for creating a marketing plan for your small business. Number 1. Define your business goals. The first step in creating a marketing plan is to clearly define what you want to achieve. Your goals will guide your strategy and help you measure success. Set specific objectives. What do you want to accomplish? Examples include increasing sales, driving website traffic, or building brand recognition. Use SMART goals. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, increase website traffic by 25% within 6 months. Having clear goals ensures your marketing efforts stay focused and aligned with your overall business strategy. Number 2, identify your target audience. Understanding your ideal customers is crucial to creating a plan that resonates with them. Define your audience. Who are your customers? Consider demographics such as age, gender, location, income level, and occupation. Analyze their needs. What problems do they face, and how can your product or service solve them? Develop buyer personas. Create detailed profiles of your typical customers, including their preferences, challenges, and buying behavior. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your marketing messages and choose the most effective channels to reach them. Number 3, conduct market research. Before implementing your plan, it's important to understand your market and competitors. Analyze your industry. Research market trends, customer demands, and opportunities in your sector. Study your competitors. Identify what your competitors are doing well and where they're falling short. This information will help you find your unique selling proposition, USP. SWOT analysis. Evaluate your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Use this analysis to inform your strategy. Market research provides valuable insights that guide your decisions and position your business for success. Number 4, choose the right marketing channels. Selecting the appropriate channels is key to effectively reaching your audience while staying within budget. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok are great for engaging with your audience and promoting your brand. Email marketing. Use email to share updates, promotions, and personalized offers with your customers. Content marketing. Create valuable content such as blogs, videos, or infographics to educate and engage your audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website to improve visibility on search engines and attract organic traffic. Focus on the channels that align with your audience's preferences and behaviors for the best results. Number 5, set a budget. Marketing doesn't have to be expensive, but it does require an investment of time and resources. Allocate resources. Determine how much you can spend on each channel. Start small and scale up as you see results. Leverage free tools. Use free or affordable tools like Canva for design, MailChimp for email marketing, and Google Analytics for performance tracking. Track ROI. Continuously measure the return on investment for each channel to ensure your resources are being used effectively. A well-planned budget ensures your marketing efforts are sustainable and cost-effective. Number 6, create a content calendar. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged, and a content calendar helps you stay organized. Plan ahead. Outline the topics, formats, and channels for your content. For example, You might post a blog every week and share related updates on social media. Schedule posts. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate your social media updates. Repurpose content. Maximize your efforts by turning a blog post into a series of social media updates or a video. A content calendar ensures you maintain a consistent presence across all channels. Number 7. Monitor and evaluate performance. No marketing plan is complete without a system for measuring results. Track key metrics. Use analytics tools to measure website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, and other key performance indicators. Assess campaign effectiveness. Determine which strategies are working and which need adjustment. Adapt your plan. Use the insights from your analysis to refine your approach and improve future campaigns. Regular monitoring ensures your marketing efforts remain effective and aligned with your goals. Number 8. Build strong customer relationships. Successful marketing goes beyond attracting new customers. It's also about nurturing relationships with existing ones. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, reviews, and messages promptly to build trust. Encourage loyalty. Offer rewards or exclusive discounts to repeat customers. Ask for feedback. Use surveys or reviews to learn what your customers value and improve your offerings. Strong relationships lead to customer loyalty and positive word of mouth, which are invaluable for small businesses. Creating a marketing plan for your small business doesn't have to be overwhelming. By defining your goals, understanding your audience, choosing the right channels, and staying adaptable, you can build a strategy that drives growth and success. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Continue to analyze, adjust, and innovate to stay ahead in today's dynamic market. Want to learn more about creating a marketing plan for your small business? Check out the links in our description below, where you'll find top online small business courses, free articles, an e-newsletter, and valuable resources to keep you informed and support your growth. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.